Hello everyone, welcome back at Tech ET. According to a newly leaked benchmarks, the iPhone 12 will continue to widen the gap between Apple and all other Android phone makers. It's not too big of a surprise that triple iPhone 11 phones continue to best even the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. The iPhone 12 news comes from a surprise benchmark entry for the A14 Bionic, which is the chipset we would expect the iPhone 12 to use. In the past, the iPhone 11 used A13 Bionic, the iPhone XS used A12 Bionic, and so on. Giz China got the Geekbench listing first. In the test, the A14 Bionic returned a single-core score of 1658 and multi-core score of 4612. Single-core is useful for simple tasks like scrolling the web and using social media, while multi-core tasks include intense gaming and photo and video editing. The multi-core score is the highest we have seen on a smartphone, and that makes sense because Apple's phones typically has the highest speeds we have seen on any phones. For context, the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus with a Snapdragon 865 chipset, which may be the best Android phones of 2020, gave us a score of roughly 3300 when we tested it, which isn't even close, and yet that's about the average for a Snapdragon 865 result. The single-core score is intriguing though, as higher scores are arguably a little unnecessary. A phone with a middling score can perform the basic task adequately after all. There are few reasons Apple might want fast single-core scores, because it's possible this helps you display your social media feed with a faster screen refresh rate. So maybe the device will have a 90Hz or 120Hz screen, or maybe there's a different reason. It's really too early to say for sure. Either way, these scores suggest the iPhone 12 could crush all Android flagships from 2020 in terms of processing speeds, so Snapdragon 865 phones like the Xiaomi Mi 10, the OnePlus 8 Pro, Oppo Find X2 Pro, Sony Xperia 1 Mark II and more might have a run for their money. The new iPhone 12 release date is expected in late September after an early launch event that month. This is when we will be able to actually see if these super high processing speeds make the iPhone 12 the best phone available. One or more 2020 iPhone models might also have a 120Hz refresh rate, up from 60Hz on current models. This has been rumored by a reputable leaker. This is a claim we have now heard more than once, and some phones already have higher refresh rates than 60Hz, as do some iPads, so this is not so impossible. We have also heard that at least some iPhone 12 models could have thinner, cheaper and more energy efficient screens than the iPhone 11 range. This is in turn may allow the phones themselves to be thinner as well as lasting longer between charges. Well, that's all for now. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more updates. Till the next time.